Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the one-handed mode. So the one-handed mode is a feature that temporarily shrinks the screen content into a smaller movable window, making it easier to reach the top of the display and control your phone with a single hand, such as a thumb. Okay, so I've got small hands. This phone has a pretty large display. So a lot of the times when I hold the phone with one hand, it's hard to really navigate around the phone, especially when I'm trying to swipe down from the top to bring down the notification panel. But once I put the phone into one-handed mode, it just makes things that bit easier, because like I said, it's going to shrink the display. Okay, so to put the phone into one-handed mode, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply swipe down from the notifications and then go into the settings and then scroll all the way down to where it says advanced features. Select the option and here you will see one-handed mode. Go ahead and turn it on. And then you will see two options here. You will see gesture and you will also see button. So with the gesture enabled, all you have to do is swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. And you get a demo there of how it works. So just swipe down like this. And as you can see, it's now gone into one-handed mode. And from here, if you're right-handed, you would keep the window here on the right side. If you're left-handed, just select the little arrow here to go to the left side. And then you can obviously use the phone with your left hand. And you can also move it around. So you can adjust it and move it around and shift it from the right side to the left side. So just remember, all you have to do is swipe down and it will go into one-handed mode, and you can move it around and shift it to any side of the display. And then here we have the button option. So just simply double tap the home button to go into one-handed mode. And once again, you can move it to the right side, the left side, or you can drag it anywhere onto the home screen. So everything works pretty much just the same. There's no difference. All you do is just use the phone like you normally would. So if you want to pull down the notification panel, you just pull it down. If you need to go back, you just press the back arrow. If you need to make a call, you just press the dialer. Open up the camera. Everything works pretty much just the same. All it is, it's a smaller display. And at any time you want to come out of one-handed mode to put it back into the full screen mode, simply just press anywhere on the blank spaces around the black box. And as you can see, it goes back into full screen mode. So yeah, that was just my quick video showing you all how to put the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G into one-handed mode. Perfect demonstration. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.